Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here, and as you guys can see up on the screen today, I wanted to talk a little bit about Sofi Technologies Incorporated. This is ticker symbol SOFI or Sofi, the exact same name as the company. They got the good ticker symbol there, so it's nice and easy for you. And we're talking about this stock today because it's one of my favorite stocks to track on this channel. There's always a lot of news, a lot of catalysts, a lot of things going on. It's a stock that retail traders really love, so there's a lot of support and discussion and stuff behind it all the time. And it's pretty volatile, so it's usually pretty interesting to track as well. Now today, I do think was a really good day for SoFi stock. Now, I say it's super volatile. I say today's a good day, and you see it's up less than 0.1% today, and that might seem kind of weird, but yes, that was a great day today because in the stock market, everything is relative. You have to take a look around at competitors, at the broader market, about how everything is going over as a whole. In this video today, we'll be talking about why this was a great day for SoFi, some of the stories going on around about it, and all that good stuff. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate that so much. And subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. That would be absolutely awesome. Of course, as always, no financial advice in this video. Not telling you to buy anything, sell anything, do anything like that. Just going over some news, going over what's going on in the market, and giving some of my thoughts and opinions about some stuff, but still, that doesn't mean you should go do anything because of that. But with that being said, let's get right into this. So why is 0.081% up a great day? Well, when you look at the rest of the market, here's what was going on. The Dow Jones down 1.4%, S&P down 1.9%, NASDAQ just getting killed today, down 2.78%. And then the Russell down 1% as well. Now, this is a weird day because earlier in the day, things were going very well. But then, we got some of the news that Russia may be invading Ukraine, stuff like that soon. That obviously has people worried, concerned about, going into a war, going into World War III. What the heck's going to happen? How is the world economy going to get affected by this? What the heck is going to go on? And obviously, no one really knows for sure. It's just a rumor. It's just some news at this point. So who knows exactly what's going on? But again, the whole market took this hit at around this time. SoFi dropped around 5% from where it was to where it ended up. But again, most companies and most indices went under, and not just a little bit under, went way under. And the fact that SoFi was still able to stay green on the day, again, that is a very good sign. Now, getting into some of the actual news and stuff that was going on with them, today was a weird day for SoFi because a lot of good stuff came out for them. This is from Benzinga, where they had all the new kind of ratings and stuff for SoFi. There's a lot of new buy ratings, a new outperform rating, a new neutral rating, which, hey, that's better than sell or underperform. Another buy, another just market perform, but still an upgrade. Another overweight, but it seems like they were still upgraded. I think that's what the green means. They have buy, neutral, buy, outperform. A lot of things getting changed for SoFi recently, and a lot of them seem to be pretty good news. Now, again, this isn't totally shocking because year to date, this stock is down 21%. So as it continues to fall, since its fall is not centered around any specific bad news for the company or SoFi, it's not like SoFi, has done anything in 2022 that would make them worth 21% less. It makes sense that people are going to be upgrading them. That's just kind of general market 101 is buy low and sell high. And as this thing drops lower and lower, unless it's for a reason, then hey, it would make sense to upgrade them. And again, that's what a lot of people are doing. There is kind of a pretty strong sentiment. Obviously, overall, the negative market sentiment. Again, you see all the indices and stuff are down. SoFi's down. So much stuff right now is down on the year. But again, people are still, even the people who aren't so excited about SoFi, still kind of recognize that hey, this is a way better valuation right now than it was, a couple months ago when we were at $23 or whatever. Now we're sitting at 12. If you liked it at 23, you should love it at 12. But, that's just kind of what's going on there. There was some discussion and stuff around. I know this is on the SoFi stock subreddit about what some people want SoFi to add. Some things SoFi could do that would make me more likely to use them. Talking about some features that competitors and stuff have, and they say, hey, Ally gives me access to Zeal, so I can easily transfer thousands of dollars into my Ally account instantly each month. No waiting, just instantly goes from my banking account into my Ally account. SoFi, on the other hand, is set up to where you can instantly fund your account first time, only up to $500, but after that, you can't easily and instantly transfer money into your SoFi account from an external account. So hey, maybe that's a big change they can make. Also, with Ally, you draw the same interest on the money in your accounts no matter how it got there. For instance, if I Zelle 5,000 into my Ally account and hold it in one of my savings accounts, it immediately starts drawing that 0.5% interest. Before the interest rate plummeted, it was drawing just over 1%. SoFi, on the other hand, your money pretty much doesn't make any interest at all unless you have direct deposit set up. So again, just kind of another annoyance, and maybe another way that SoFi, isn't necessarily being a market leader, and maybe making people less likely to transfer their money over. And then with Ally Invest or Robinhood or pretty much any other stock apps, you can trade options. Obviously, we do expect options will be on the way soon, but it seems like people do agree. Some people are, there's questions of like, why are you bullish on this company if you think the user experience is negative? And, we would say, hey, a lot of these things are very fixable. A lot of these things could change. But yes, SoFi does need to really be an industry leader in a lot of these ways, especially if they want to, market themselves as like the financial super app or super institution or whatever. They got to do a little bit better. But hey, there's still a lot of room for growth, a lot of room for improvement. But yes, there definitely is some things SoFi could still do a lot better. We did have this news. This person, don't know how true or not or whatever it is, but they said that they were disapproved for margin trading. That's awesome. Another feature coming to SoFi, which we've heard kind of rumors and rumblings and hyping up of over the last couple weeks. It's slowly being rolled out to people. That's awesome. That's exciting. Another another way for SoFi to make some more money, and a feature that people definitely want. We also have this. Bank of America starts SoFi Technologies at a buy, sees catalyst potential from quarter 4, results $17. Now, $17 is definitely not the highest price target out there for SoFi. I've seen definitely a lot higher, but hey, 17 is not terrible. Again, the stock's sitting at $12.40 right now. There's definitely a lot of people out there that'd be very, very happy to see this stock run up to $17, but still, the fact that they are starting out as a buy rating, it's another good sign. This, I think, is absolutely massive, and I think is one of the most exciting things about SoFi stock right now. 1% interest is officially here. This person got their email an hour ago. Better banking is here. Earn more money on your money with up to 1% APY. Now, 1% APY is insane, and this is for checking accounts as well, and that is really an awesome way for SoFi to set themselves up from a lot of the competition. I'm super excited to see this feature rolled out, and I hope they'll be able to keep this up, especially as interest rates increase. Hey, maybe this will even go above 1%, but having 1% on checking, that is a way in which I don't know if that's the best out there. I want to say it's the best out there. I want to say that is a way they're leading the industry, but obviously I don't know every single account out there or anything like that, but I know this is very, very good, and it's at the very, very least competitive with anyone else out there, and I think this is awesome, and this is actually something that could attract SoFi a lot of new customers. This is a way that SoFi could steal a lot of customers over and market share over from traditional big financial institutions, because I know a lot of them are not offering 1% APY on any accounts, let alone checking accounts. So I think that is absolutely awesome and definitely a reason to be excited about SoFi. And then just a bunch of other articles. I got a bunch of ads here, I guess, but hey, this is Bank of America says to buy SoFi, not just another neobank. That's kind of what we already talked about. Then we have this from Barron's, buy SoFi stock. Analyst says the fintech is set to deliver strong revenue growth. And then from the Motley Fool, buy this cheap stock before everyone else does. There is a ton of people out there recommending, analysts, people who write articles, websites, all these people recommending to buy SoFi stock right now. And hey, if you are someone who likes this company, likes this stock, or is invested in this company, that's always a great sign to see that a lot of people seem to be buying into the SoFi hype recently. And again, while the stock price kind of goes down or trades flat, there is a lot of things pointing in the right direction, so it'll be interesting to see how the next coming months and years play out. But that is pretty much everybody's video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate that so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about SOFI. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe, save today, and all my latest content. Hope we catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.